What's going on, guys? We are back with another video, and today we're going to be playing a game called Arson. No, I don't have no idea what it's called. I don't know how I did, but it's like a third-person shooter. Oh, first-person or third-person shooter. It's pretty fun. And here he goes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's gotta hurt. Ooh, that's gotta hurt. That's gotta hurt. Give me my scar. I have a lot of experience. No! Hector! No! No, we lost a guy. Dude. Oh my goodness. That headshot was pretty cool though. Hey! No, that's what just my. Oh, my aim's terrible. Can I throw my knife? I can't throw it. That's tough. Get to the blue. Oh, take him. Take him. Go. Rush them. Nice. Oh my. Holy crap. Alright. Well, we'll see how much damage this thing does. Holy crap. This is my friend's freaking head shack. That's what it's called. I gotta go heal. Can't touch this. No. Oh, saved by the magic. I'm safe. Okay, yeah, we can't shoot through that. It has an actual scar on some Fortnite. Oh, bye-bye. Can I make this jump? No, I can't. I can just reset. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay, just okay, I'm gonna do something. Because I like seeing things in ragdoll form. Oh! My guy. Oh, okay. I'm gonna reset, and I'm gonna, fall off, so. Oh, I don't know, I'm weird. Oh, yeah! Whee! Oh! I gotta tell you that already looks painful. Oh my gosh! Oh, shoot! Oh, there goes my son. Ah, he's a suppressed scar, too. No, I'm being honest, it's an actual scar. Just look, and you'll see at the bottom right. Oh my god, guys, look in chat. Follow 009, my best friend, one of my really good friend. No scoped. Some other kid. If you ever see the Bacon Man, that's my friend. He just trolls people with bacon. He's actually pretty. He has a lot of Robux. He buys a lot of things. Yeah, the Bacon Man guy. The guy that just laser. Oh shoot. I really no. Oh no! I'm gone. He'll be remembered. Rip. When you try your best, and I am gonna reset because there's no way I can get down from this. No. Alright. Okay, now that we're back. In action. Okay, I don't know what this guy's doing. Oh man, my shots are missing. Holy crap. I am legit trash. I am hot trash. Okay, this guy's coming from where? Ah, guys are ahead. My aim is so bad. Okay. There's one. Oh. I missed that. Hunting rifle. Ooh, got him midair. That was dope. That was pretty cool. Oh, yeah, my team. Okay, they're always taking up. Okay, that's good. When you try your best and you don't succeed. When you get what you want, but not what you need. Yeah. No. I know. have to do this, but you leave me no choice. That was the biggest catch in history. Okay. I am gonna. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Hector. No! I'm so sorry. No, I think that was Hector. It looked like the other Bacon Man, but. Ah! Dang, okay, I didn't fall that hard. But when you try your best, but you don't. Who has a P90? You're joking? Oh, this guy's a P90. Dude, okay, chill. You have a freaking P90. Oh my god. Oh. Hold on. I already did. Hold on. Your turn. Nuketown, let's go. Game over for all. Okay, whatever. Yeah, okay, he finally responded, yes. Uh-huh. He says he doesn't know why I can't call him. I know, I just told him that.
Tell him my mom's working on it, but it's hard with so many my mom's my kids.
I know he knows. I know. The heck? No. Ooh. Okay, never mind. Oh, where's my aim? My aim is so bad. My aim is so bad. Okay, yeah.
You tell him?
Yeah.
What do you say?
He said, okay, I understand. I'm going to. Oh, shit. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know what my weapon is right now. I need to get some new stuff. Yeah, I know. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Ooh. Yeah, Hector, why'd you do that? I know, he said he was going to, but I don't know what happened. He might still go. Huh? Calling me? I don't know. Guys, that was popping off! Did you guys see that kill streak I got? Say something. Ooh. I love the ragdoll physics in this game. So much fun. I ain't leaving you alone today. See you there, bro. See you there. What? I don't know why I didn't just reload. Okay, drum gun not the best weapon for me. That's more like it. Shut. Okay. Probably just need to die again. Okay, yeah. Just need to die one more time, then I'm not gonna respawn. Oh, crap. Let me get the kill. Oh, dead. Okay, okay, thank you for killing me. Now I have my pump shotgun. Look at this. Oh my god, the aim is really bad. Aimbot much? I feel like I gotta get some aimbot or something. Or something like that. To be so more. Okay, yeah, shotgun. Ain't gonna do it for me.
Did you just happen to get on the game, or did you know he was on there?
He got him.
Oh, nice. Have you guys played that one together before?
Nope.
Oh, buddy. Nice.
I'm gonna roll burst as the famous stuff moss. Whatever. Alright, I should either die or at least get some kills with this thing. Don't like it's a good game.